Some bitch. You can call me redneck, call me a hick, say I'm a drunk, messed up just a bit, but the flag I fly's got the stars and stripes. Test my freedom, I'll be down for a fight. We're the backbone, blue collar, working, trying to earn a dollar. Hurts, but it feeds our kids. Standard American. Some bitch. It drives a Peterbilt with 18 wheels, the ICC hot on his heels, running them roads since age 18. Ain't a city limit sign that he hasn't seen. Grinding them gears heavy down the line, he's enslaved to the law and time. May get home for 2 days sleep, then it's back to his cockpit and air ride seat. He's a driver, a highwayman, loves his woman and 2 kids, a standard American. Some bitch.
Haggard's on the radio, singing about them big wheels moving on. And behind me there's a heavy load, it's gotta be in Denver before dawn. And sometimes I wonder as I look back and see that big old trailer in the mirror, was this kind of life worth losing? All I left behind me through the years. But I'll keep jamming them gears for as long as I'm here. Another 1,000,000 miles ain't no big deal. And I'll give up driving this truck when they pry my stone cold fingers from the wheel. Windshield, I think about the times away from home. And do the children know how sad I feel, knowing what I've missed and now they're grown? But I can't quit, it's in my blood. Guess it'll take dying, and when I do, I'll leave it to my youngest son. He seems to want to fill his old man's shoes. But I'll keep jamming them gears for as long as
2-4, 4 on the floor like an outlaw boys done did before. Got the pretty girls out there begging for more. Gotta give them all what they came here for. Doing my thing, singing my song, right on track, I'm chugging along. I'm here and gone like yesterday, rolling like an old freight train. On a wing and a prayer and a glorified Greyhound bus, flying down the road, running 9-0 and kicking up dust. Drinking truck stop coffee, counting birds on those telephone wires, burning the midnight oil and the tread off these old Goodyear tires. I'm gonna give them that 2-4, 4 on the floor like an outlaw boys done did before. Got the pretty girls out there begging for more. Gotta give them all what they came here for. Doing my thing, singing my song, right on track, I'm chugging along. I'm here and gone like yesterday, rolling like an old freight train. And sometimes my mind is a million miles away. I know you're sound asleep at home while I'm on this stage, and I'm missing you, wishing I was kissing you every day. But girl, I gotta keep rolling.